Do you face these challenges in your export business? Tried everything but stuck without progress in the exports business? Member of different B2B portals but no quality export inquiries or consistent export inquiries? Not sure how to find enough genuine buyers or importers? Too many export inquiries but no conversion into export order? Then, block your calendar for the Export Breakthrough webinar happening on 29th January 2022, Saturday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. 3 hours power-packed session to overcome these challenges. You will learn 7 tasks to crack export orders in 3 months. Top 3 digital tools to find your importers. 4 stages of the successful export sales process. All this for just 499 rupees only. Learning these will help you save lakhs of rupees. Register now using the sign up button.